Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the video. Also hit the bell button and don't forget to leave comments. Thank you very much for watching. Today we are making a creamy, healthy strawberry dream dessert. Hope you all enjoyed and choose healthy options to remain fit.
Here are the fresh and wholesome ingredients for the dish with the calorie chart.
Soak the cashews until soft.
Prepare the strawberries and dates. Slice the strawberries first. Now pit the dates. Add all ingredients to a blender and cover the blender. Blend everything until smooth and creamy, yummy. Look at this creamy texture. Serve and enjoy this refreshing dessert. Decorate with strawberry slices and mint. Healthy, fruity, and absolutely delicious.